Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new here, I want to say hello, welcome. I am Nisha, and here on my channel we pretty much do everything beauty related: makeup tutorials, hauls, first impression videos, and of course hair review. So if any of those things interest you, of course, then go ahead and click the subscribe button, and of course you got to go ahead and click the notification bell so that way you will get notified every time I upload a video, and I do upload 5 days out of the week, so you don't want to miss out on any videos, so make sure you do that. For today's video we are going to be doing an unboxing. Well, not really unboxing because I already seen everything, but we're going to be doing a try on tutorial of the stuff that I got in my Boxycharm box. I felt like the stuff in this box was enough for me to do like a full-on video just dedicated to this box alone, because usually I combine all my boxes together. Like I said, I'm going to change it up every single month. It's going to be something different. Some months I'm just going to combine them again, and then others I'm just going to do like something like this. All right, so Boxycharm theme, of course, is for St. Patrick month, which honestly, after looking at the stuff, I don't think they're paying attention to the thing. They're just sending out a card, because I didn't receive anything green in the box, which kind of would have been like fun, at least like a green like skincare product or something like that, but no. So I'm happy that they actually sent me a card, because I've been missing my card in the past few months. But I'm happy so that way I can give you guys a little bit of the details of the products that I'm going to be using, of course the price point and all that good stuff. So let's jump right into the tutorial. Okay, so the first thing that I see in the box that I definitely want to jump right into it, because I always start off with my eyes when I do tutorials. So we got this beautiful Lime Crime Venus 3 eyeshadow palette. So I'm definitely not really familiar with Lime Crime products, and especially being that this is Venus 3, there's Venus 2 and Venus 1. I have no clue about those, but this is a very pretty purple lavender palette, very soft shades and everything in here. I love the outside of the packaging. I just think this palette is a little bit too thick and bulky. This retails for $38. Of course, Lime Crime is known to be a little bit of a high-end brand. $38, I'm not surprised for it to be this much for Lime Crime. It says this palette is filled with ruptured lilac, rose gold, mauve, and earthy brown shades. That outer buttery formula sweeps on a richly pigmented color that doesn't fade or fall out. The dreamy lavender and rose gold box is graced with Venus herself. Okay, hashtag Lime Crime Lucky. All right, so the first color I want to try, I'm gonna go in with this shade, because I feel like this is gonna be like the nice deepest shade in here to use. It's a nice like mauve pink color, so I'm gonna sweep this right in my crease. Oh, I didn't expect for it to be this pigmented, because it's such a soft looking color in the pan, but it's actually a little bit more vibrant on your eyes. Okay. And the only thing I have on my eyes is concealer. I don't prime my eyes. My concealer is basically my primer. Of course, by having the concealer, it's definitely going to make the eyeshadows more vibrant. That is the whole reason why I use concealer over a primer. Alright, so I want to see if this brown looking color right here is going to deepen my crease. So I'm going to put this in the outer part, because I want to see if this is going to deepen it up. Oh my gosh, it did. I'm really surprised. So I'm gonna put this in the outer, as you guys can see. You guys can see the difference. Still a very soft brown, but it definitely still gave definition in my crease, and I'm here for that. I like it. The first color that grabbed my attention when I first opened this palette was, of course, these two colors right here. So I definitely want to figure out how to play around and put these on. So I think I'm going to go straight in with that dark purple and just start putting, wow. This color is gorgeous. Oh my goodness, this really, oh my God. This is why it grabbed my attention, y'all. All right, so I'm gonna go in with now the color above it, that pretty like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like it has a little bit of like glitter flecks in it. It's really pretty though. You can definitely build this color, which I really like about that. Because at first I was like, okay, this is way too soft. It's not even showing up. But I definitely had to add multiple layers on it. And the more I keep doing that, the more I'm seeing the true like color of this eyeshadow. Like it's really a pretty color. Okay. Of course, I'm going to finish up my blending on my eye. And then I'm going to pop on some liner and lashes. And then we're going to come back and use what's left in the box. The next thing that we got in the box, this is a glow recipe. This is a banana moisturizer cream for glamming and hydrating. So you can use this before prepping your foundation. So I can use that right now. The only thing I feel about this product so far, I don't like bananas. I have a weird reaction with bananas. Like it depends on how much, I should say how strong the banana is, like how old or new it is, how fresh and stuff. Like sometimes it makes my throat itchy, sometimes it makes my gums itchy, but I never use a actual banana product on my face. So I'm hoping I don't have any allergic reaction, okay? But this is what the packaging looks like. And this retails for $39. More about this product, it is a lightweight moisturizer that seals in lasting hydration without clogging your pores, making it especially good for sensitive skin. Blend with banana, chia seed. Wow, it's chia seeds in here, okay. All right, and it's supposed to give you that hydrated and healthy looking skin. Okay, so the packaging, the bottle is freaking cute. It's cute and it's very, very like heavy. So this feels like a $39 bottle. So I'm definitely for sure that this is glass, although it doesn't sound like it, but I'm sure this is considered to be glass. So one thing I was really nervous about is the scent, because I really cannot stand the smell of bananas, but it's not a strong banana smell. It smells like a banana Laffy Taffy. That's what it smells like. Yes, that is a perfect description of the smell. A banana Laffy Taffy. So I'm gonna put some of that onto my face. I don't know how much you need. It's not an actual primer, it's just, you know, a moisturizer, and I definitely like to do that before putting on my primers and everything. So I definitely say this feels really good. And even with this being on my skin, I don't smell that banana scent at all. Like I smell it in the jar, but I do not smell it on my face. So that is definitely something excellent. Okay, so I'm gonna do my foundation stuff off camera since it's not part of the box, but I will come back and let you guys know what I did use. So for my second primer, I did go in with my e.l.f. Putty Poreless primer. My foundation today, I went in with BECCA, and I also went in with my e.l.f. foundation. The shades would be down in the description box. For my concealer, I used my Item Concealer. Shade number will be in the description box as well. Contour with Rich Ebony as my cream contour. Then of course, you guys know I set my face with my favorite setting powders. I went in with Banana for the light areas, and then I went in with Cocoa Kisses for all over the face. And then I did my powder contour with my Beauty Bakery Perfect Blend bronzer. And as for my blush, I went in with my Juvia palette, and I went in with this beautiful shade right here. And of course, last but not least, I did highlight down the bridge of my nose and above my cheekbones, and I went in with this beautiful BECCA highlighter. All right, so the next item that's in the box is this lip item. This is called the CAB Cosmetic Hydrating Lip Oil. It says, say goodbye to dry and thirsty and hello to juicy hydrated lips. I like that. So this retails for $20. I have to say, I really do love the packaging of this product. I've never heard of this brand ever. Ooh. So it looks like it's a nice tinted lip oil. So this might be good to use as, so I can use this as, definitely use this to prep my lips, but this might be too shiny. So I'm gonna use this as a lip topper. So I'm gonna go in and do a quick nude lip right now. As you can see, the lip combo that I use is a very nice, pretty matte lip, and I want to use a matte product because I really want to see how glossy does this lip oil get. The packaging of this is still pretty. I didn't even show you guys the detail of like the top part. It is definitely cute. I love the details of this. This is definitely a gloss. It is really pretty. It's not sticky. Definitely I can feel the hydration. And it's not that shiny. I thought when I put it on, I thought it was gonna be like overdoing it, but it actually is a nice little finish to this. But definitely I would recommend to use a little of this because a little goes a long way. As you guys can see, I only put it at the bottom of my lip and it was able to spread everywhere else. So that is nice. Y'all know me, I love me a glossy lip, so I am here for this. Now we are going to finish up the eyes, going back in with this palette. I'm gonna put in some black liner in my waterline. And I think I definitely wanna go in with that brown. I feel like would definitely complement my bottom lash line. So I'm gonna pat it on first, and then I'm gonna smudge it against that liner. This is what the finished look like. I have to say, I love this eyeshadow palette. It's very soft. Very, very soft. I definitely want to come back and do another look using this palette. Definitely making it a cut crease look. So if you guys want to see that, definitely thumbs up this video. And I will be back doing another look using more eyeshadows and different placements and stuff like that. So before I pop on my lashes, I wanted to use another product that was in the box. This is the Mauvin Beauty Rose Water Setting Spray. It says makeup setting spray. Is this a matte or is this hydrating? So this retails for $22. Packed with rose water setting spray. Mist all over your face. Finished look to lock down and prevent smudging for up to 16 hours. So again, it doesn't really say if this is considered to be matte. I'm just gonna assume and think maybe this might be considered hydrating. What the packaging looks like, really cute box, really cute. And actually the spray bottle is cute as well. Put this up so it can start coming out. Oh, it smells like rose water. It's very strong scent. Well, I definitely have to say I love the spray so far. Definitely hydrated my face back because it was feeling very dry after using, you know, my extra matte primers and stuff like that. So I have to say I really liked it, that spray. So I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then come back and, you know, show you guys what the final look like with some lashes on. But I definitely am liking everything so far from this box. Alright, so this is what I am looking like now that I popped on my lashes. And the only thing I didn't use in the box, this was the avocado, what is this, hydrating eye mask. It's for hydrating, plumping, and nourishing. And there was no particular reason, I just didn't want to use it. But I definitely will use it in a skincare routine. So I will give you guys an update and let you guys know how I feel about these. This is what the look looked like. I really loved everything that I got in my Boxycharm box. The only thing I would have to say about this palette, being that these colors, they are very pigmented. I just don't see a lot of versatile looks using this palette because the eyeshadows are so soft. But if you like that neutral person or you like soft looks, then this palette is definitely for you. Like I said, I like it. I like the pigmentation. I just want more definition when it comes to this palette, more color, because to me this is very soft. I would definitely like to smoke it out in the outer. I feel like it would be more comfortable of my sort of a look, but I'm just trying to use what was in the palette. So yeah, but definitely I feel like it's missing like a black or more of a deeper shade in that palette. Lip oil, of course, is good. I have no complaints about this. Very, very hydrating on the lips. My lips feel amazing, not sticky or anything like that. And as for the setting spray, I'm still loving the finish of the face. Like no oiliness, no glowiness. So I still don't know what is the whole setting of that spray, but the makeup still look good. And this Glow Recipe moisturizer, definitely am surprised that I was gonna like this, because you know me, I stick to my same old products when it comes to my moisturizer. So I'm really picky when it comes to moisturizing my face, especially when it comes in a preparation step into doing my makeup. So I am very surprised. And then the scent wasn't that strong. My skin still looks good, although this was supposed to be a hydrating moisturizer. I kind of thought it was going to be a little bit more of a glow and oiliness, but I still feel like I look semi-matte, which is okay with me. I'm here for that. I do see a little bit of glowiness on my cheeks, so it could be from that, but I don't know. But I have no complaints with the stuff that I did get in my beauty box. So that is pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really do hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, and of course, if you guys have not yet subscribed and you have watched me all the way to the end, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that subscribe button, okay? So that way you would never miss a video from yours truly. And enough with the rambling. I will see you guys all in another video. You guys have a beautiful day. Stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in another one. Bye.